Witchy girl, I'm back with another video. Oh, hey, how y'all doing, my Mooka Buzz? I'm tired. I'm sleepy as fuck today. I'm letting y'all know right now. Like, I'm trying to come with the energy on 10. Wait, I need my eyelash spoolie. I'm trying to come with the energy on 10, but a bitch is fucking sleepy, yo. Like, so I had a nail appointment today at 9 a.m., right? And when I have shit to do early in the morning, I can't sleep, bro. I can't sleep at night, the night before. I don't know why. So, like, yo, I swear to God, I got a total of, like, fucking 2 hours of sleep, bitch. Not even, like, I'm so fucking tired, you know? Like, everything in me literally wanted me to just come home and go to fuck to sleep. But, like, I told y'all, I'm not playing about my consistency. I'll sleep when I'm fucking dead, bitch. I don't give a fuck. What? Can't stop, won't stop. But, OOTD, guys, I'm in Miami's. My pajamas. I'm fucking tired. Hold on, give me a minute. I'm gonna stop bitching. Give me 2. I'm fucking sleepy. However, I just went to a new nail tech and she ate down. Like, I got a new nail and eyelash tech. They don't fucking, they don't play. They don't fucking play. I fuck with them heavy. And, like, their prices are amazing. Like, what? So, these are my techs until I move. But tell me she didn't eat down on my nails. I don't know if you can see, but it's like a fucking cat hair and shit. It's like that, and then it has, like, the silver on it. Tell me that's not cute as fuck, bitch. Like, she's mad talented. Okay, so y'all want more witchy tips? So, bet. I'm gonna start off with, like, the basic shit. Like, the shit that y'all really need to know. Okay? Like, the shit that, like, is, like, rule of thumb if you're gonna be doing your witchy things. Okay? And, yeah, so we're gonna start small, and then we're just gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger together. So, okay, so number one thing, right? As a witch, you need to understand that shit only. Oh, this is the OOTD, guys. I'm not. Oh, and I started my period. Oh, baby. That ain't it. But this is the OOTD. Guys, I'm in pajamas. Like, I don't even look. I'm bloated. Bitch, I got my period underwear on. Like, cause what? Cause what? Bitch, listen. Happy Father's Day to all the daddies. Okay, I'm sorry. I played, like, way too much. Okay, sorry. So, number one thing is shit only has power if you let it have power, okay? And that's with any fucking thing, okay? Like, that's like destiny swapping, right? Like, people are just so deep into, oh my God, they could destiny swap. They're trying to destiny swap. The fact that you're even giving it that much power, the fact that your mind even believes that that is a possibility in the first place is what's going to make it an actual thing. I'm dead ass. Like, so destiny swapping, that shit doesn't, that shit only happens if you believe that it can happen. Like, if you believe that it really can happen, that means your mind is weak and you need to fucking fix that. Destiny swapping, energy draining. Like, if you feel like someone could literally drain your energy just by being around you, baby, that's exactly what's gonna happen. Why? Because your mind let it happen. You know what I mean? Like, because what you believe is your reality. Straight up. So if you believe that people could destiny swap with you, you are more likely to attract that happening to you because you even believed it was real in the first. You know what I'm saying? Like, me, I know for a fact nobody could fucking destiny swap with me. Nobody could fucking drain my energy just by being around me, just by touching me, just by... No. I'm the energy. I'm the source. The source never runs out. I'm the source. I'm the fucking source. So that's something as a witch that you really need to remember constantly. Play that over in your head over and over and over. Shit only has power if you let it. If you believe someone could destiny swap with you, guess what? They can. Why? Because you said they could. If you believe someone could drain your energy, they can. Why? Because you said that they could. You feel me? Now, number 2. Try to do some background digging as a witch. Because, you know, there's there's different types of, you know, there's voodoo, there's hoodoo, there's brujeria, there's fucking Santa Muerte, Papa Legba. There's a bunch, okay? There's like a bunch of different things. You feel me? So try to do some background digging. Like your family, where your family's from. Like if your family, like you need to dig deep to like your family roots, and then find out what type of magic practices is tied to that, because it's probably in your blood already. It is in your blood already. You just need to figure out like what. You know what I'm saying? Next. Keep your space clean, right? So negative things, they like dirty stuff, basically, like negative entities, anything. They love clutter, they love dirt, they love disaster, they love everything negative and messy. They love that shit. So it's really important that you cleanse your space. Like keep it clean on a daily, you know what I'm saying? Because like the key to having a clean space is just keeping up with it. Keeping up with it every day. The little shit every day. So yeah, that's like decluttering your house. You know, my favorite time to do it is like on the 1st of every month, because it's like, okay, it's a new month, it's new energies, it's new everything, you know what I'm saying? So like it's like out with the old, in with the new, kind of. So yeah, they love clutter, negative energies, negative entities. They love clutter, they love mess, they love all that shit, you know what I'm saying? And that's just a fact. So just keep your space clean, because that really matters. Oh, and yourself clean. Like keep up with your hygiene. Like, you know, make sure you shower every day. Like, you know, make sure you wash your clothes on a regular. Make sure you give yourself these like spiritual baths, you know, like you can put water with like, you know, different herbs in it and stuff like that. Like different spiritual baths. Do that, you know, at least once a week. Really important, okay? You need to remember that you are the magic, baby. You are the magic. You are the source. You feel me? So like, I have everything written down on my little, but anyway, you're the magic, you're the source. So crystals, herbs, candles, yes, they help, but that's it. They literally just help. You are the source, okay? So once you get your minds intact, once you understand that your mind, like, you could do any fucking thing that you want, okay? You are the fucking magic. The words that you say, how you walk in yourself every day, like that is the magic, okay? Crystals help, herbs help, candles help, chants help, meditation helps, but you are the magic, okay? So you will literally see, that's why there's so many witches that don't even need stuff. They could just use their minds. I do that all the time. You know what I'm saying? But I've been doing this for a really long time. So that's probably why. But you are the magic. You are the source. Okay? Period, baby. Okay. Another really important thing that I suggest beginner witches, put a ward on your name. Okay? Put a ward on your name. That is one of the biggest things you could do for protection. Okay? So I have one. I have a bunch on my name. Like a lot. So basically what it means to ward your name is basically like put a spell on your name. You have to like alchemize all types of energy, right? So when you put a ward on your name, it's just like, okay, example, one of mine, because I have so many, but one of mine is whether somebody is speaking on me negatively or positively, I make money every time. That's a word that I put on my name. Take that, write it down on a bay leaf, burn it. That's it. With your name and your birthday on the back of the bay leaf and on the front. Anybody that says my name, turns into abundance, for whatever, however you want to say it, however you want to word it. Okay, but I have a word on my name. So if someone's speaking positive or negatively, does not really fucking matter to me, because I'm making money anyway. Good things are coming to me anyway. Abundance is coming to me anyway. You know what I mean? So like, do that, okay? Now the last one, this is really important. Where the mind goes, your energy flows, okay? Like, so you are creating your reality every motherfucking second. So it's really important that you move with intentions every single minute of every day. Every single minute of every day, move with intentions. You know, like, be smart. Control your mind. Because that's one of the biggest things in witchcraft and anything. Like, you really need to control your minds. You need to. Like, you need to be able to control your mind, your thoughts, and your emotions. You know what I'm saying? Like, keep that intact. You know what I'm saying? Because the better you can control that, like, baby, you can do anything in this motherfucking world. Now, that's hard to do. I'm not even gonna hold you. It's not easy. It's not easy. I'm not gonna say and be like, oh yeah, it's so easy. No, it's not. It's not easy. Because people be having you fucked up. You know? So it's just like, okay. Your mind starts like, you know, just running and racing and wanting to be petty and you know, fuck all that bullshit. Fuck that bullshit, bitch. Okay? Your minds. Anything that you want, you need to train your mind to think it. And not only think it, but you need to walk in it every single day like it's already yours. It's already yours. So think about it, right? Like, let's say you have this dream life that you want, right? You need to move in that energy every single day. If you want to shift to that, you need to constantly change your routine every single motherfucking day so you can shift timelines to align yourself with the version of you that has everything that you already have. Your body, your spirit, your soul is craving these things. They want these things because it already exists in another fucking timeline. All you got to do is align yourself with it. Right? So like me, for an example, right? I know I wanted to do social media. I wasn't a social media influencer. I was like, okay, what do I got to do? I got to start moving like one. That's creating content all the time. That's putting more time, more care, more everything into myself. You know, that's like, you know, a bunch of shit. A bunch of shit. And when I tell you, like, I'm aligning exactly with where, it's kind of fucking freaky once it starts happening. You know what I'm saying? But your future self already has these things, okay? You need to look at yourself now and be like, okay, what am I missing now that my future self is gonna need? And I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about habits. Habits, okay? You wanna fucking do hair for a living, right? Start on your friend's hair. Do their hair every day, all the time, on a regular. Like, you have to operate in what you know, you have to operate with the version of you that has everything that you want. Does that make sense? Like, it already exists. You just have to move like that to get like that. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, those are some basic witchy tips. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Drop them down in the comments. And you already know. Let me know what some videos you would like to see. I'm about to go get fried. And I'm really about to take a nap because I'm fucking sleepier than a motherfucker. I didn't even clean my lashes. That's why they're all separating. It's okay. I'm going to clean them tonight. Yo, a bitch is tired. Look at it. You see? I gotta, like, not clean them. It's okay. I'm gonna fix it. I know how to fix it. And I love y'all so much, mom. Because I'm sorry I'm a little cranky today, baby. But, you know, at least I still posted. At least I still came for y'all. Okay? I love y'all so much. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.